I've got a hard-on for equipment. Wait, no. I'm hard on equipment. This season we've had issues with the tractor. I've broken my foot, and now I've also I just got this lawnmower back, and I busted it. Hence why I'm hard on equipment. So what we're going to try to do is see if we can fix it. We hit a rock and it starts, but it revs really high. So I did a little bit of research, and it looks like we should be able to just adjust the governor arm, and that should help to bring the RPMs down. Since it starts just fine, it doesn't seem to be an issue with the flywheel and the set pin. So that is the next thing that the chat GPT told me to look at to fix. So we're going to do that. We'll try to start it up and see if that fixes it. And if not, then well, we'll be SOL. So right here is the governor arm, and this is attached to a spring down here. So what I've seen on the interwebs is people adjusting. They loosen this nut off, and then you can adjust the governor arm. Clockwise is supposed to give you more throttle. Well, I don't think we are going to have any more room to go clockwise, and counterclockwise is or less RPMs. So clockwise, more RPMs. Counterclockwise is less RPMs. So as you can see here, as I wiggle the governor arm, the doohickey on the carburetor is moving. Pull that pin out. All right, so I took the cap off to get a better view of what's going on. We've got a second spring up here on the governor arm there, and I think what I'll need to do is adjust the length of this to pull that governor arm in. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know if that actually did anything, but we'll put it back together, try to start it back up, and see if anything's changed. Wouldn't it be terrible if now it doesn't start?
Yeah.
Because that's always a possibility, isn't it? Feels like something's changed in there, so
Okay.
maybe I did something. Filter's back on.
Doesn't sound like it wants to blow up, but I also don't know if it sounds right.
I think it's a little bit slower, so I think we're going in the right direction.
Yeah, good.
All right, let's do that again.
The whole thing?
Yeah. I don't think that should be. See, I don't think that should happen.
The clicking.
Yeah. Where is that supposed to? No. Oh, okay. Interesting. All right, so I forgot to turn the mic on during this section. So here is what CapCut thinks this lawnmower should sound like. I can't believe we actually fixed it.
Yay!
Yay!
More work now. Just cutting more grass.
Now my wife gets to cut grass.
It's my favorite thing.
Is it your favorite thing?
Yeah.
We've got a new volunteer.